gonna start with, which one should I start with? Maybe that one with the
PS5. Thank
Okay,
you.
check who that came from.
No way.
and
It has a Spider-Man game with it too. Hey,
Open it. Rip it.
thanks, Dad. Love you.
Smile.
Update, Paulo Avellino. Samantala nakatanggap naman ang kanyang anak na si Aki ng regalo mula sa kanyang daddy. Sa IG story ni Paulo Avellino, ipinost si Aki ay nag-open ng regalo. Ayon naman sa kanyang anak, thank you daddy. At syempre, supportive naman si LG Reyes na sinasabi niya smile. Si LG pa mismo ang kumuha ng video at ipadala kay Paulo Avellino. Samantala naman dito si Kim Chiu ay nagbahagi ng kanyang mga photos kuha ng doon sa Balisin kung saan kasama ang kanyang kapatid na si Nakam. Kim Chiu spent Christmas with her family in Balisin Island after announcing her breakup with a longtime boyfriend si Yan Lim. Sa kanyang post sa Instagram sa kanyang kapatid, ipinost as they had fun the island to the happiest memories and now forever Lakam caption. So ayan po. Another post naman, Lakam shared photos of her and Kim grateful to have been able to spend the holidays with you and the rest of the family. Napaka-sweet naman.